You ready? Send it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy BK and we're back at it with another video for the love of speed. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the two new mods that got installed on the Supra A91. So the first mod is the carbon fiber Armspeed intake. So what's good about the Armspeed intake, the carbon fiber one, is it's a whole piece that connects all the way down to the turbos. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I won't. Let me try from this angle. Yeah, still. So yeah, what this one is, it's a whole piece that connects all the way down there. Usually some other intakes, they're two pieces or one piece that connects to over here, and it connects to the factory one from over here to over here. But this one, it's two pieces and it connects all the way to the bottom. And for the Armspeed, I would give it rating out of 10 for the installment. 3 out of 10. You know, you might have some problems with the sensor connecting it. It's a bit tight from over there when I did the installation. And I'll be posting like in a few minutes. I'll be adding up the clips of drive-bys of the sound of the intake, how it changed up the turbos. And what I would recommend for you guys is this intake as a top-notch intake. I like the material that they have. I got the carbon fiber one, that's why it looks beautiful. It matches, you know, what the car has, the carbon fiber mirrors, and it's mostly, you know, a setup of the carbon fiber. And the other thing would be the paddles that are added on there. Let me see. Alright, so this is the second mod that was on there. These are some nice things to add on there. So these, I'm not for sure, but I'm doing the review. It's my brother who ordered these right here over here, and I think they're also from Armspeed. And this setup right here for the paddles is, let me show you from the back. They're really nice and they glow at night. So yeah, it's like a reflective glow. And they're pretty long. Here, let me show you. All right, and I'll see you guys at the next clip where I'll be doing the drive-bys for the intake, the sound of it. See how the turbos are gonna be sounding.